Welcome and Namaste. Dear friends, hope you all have enjoyed Ganesh festival. In today's video, I am going to share with you Ganesha and Gauri Puja videos in various Maharashtrian families in Pune. In Maharashtra, it is age-old tradition to worship Lord Ganesha and Gauri during the Bhadrapad Shukla Paksh as per Marathi calendar. Lord Ganesha allows every individual to display their creativity in various forms. It can be either in the form of music, dance or singing performances, or creative pursuits such as decorations of idols, rangoli art and food delicacies such as modak and puran polis. The Ganesh festival strengthens family bond as extended family members come together for the celebration. On Ganesh Chaturthi day, Ganesha idol is brought home in most Maharashtrian families and performed puja. 10 days of festival include chanting mantras and singing aartis.
देव जय मंगलमूर्ती हो मंगलमूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव.
On third day of Ganesh festival, Gauris are brought at home. According to legends, Gauri is a mother of Ganesha, that is Parvati, who is a wife of Lord Shiva. While some people believe that Gauri is a sister of Lord Ganesha and they usually bring two idols, that is younger and elder sister of Lord Ganesha, who are called Gaurais. Goddess Gaurais bring wealth and happiness into the homes of her devotees. 7 pebbles from riverside are brought home in the form of Gauri and decorated in different forms. Here in this household, you will see that pebbles are kept in the bowl, which is a face of idol, and below the same statue of Gauri is made. You can see this beautiful decoration of Radha Krishna who are sitting on the swing. There is the equal participation of men and women in various activities of the festival such as decorating idols, preparing food and performing pujas. Here in this household you will see 2 statues of Gauris, that is the elder sister and younger sister of Lord Ganesha. You can see different types of food being offered to Gauri. In this house you will see Gauris with metal face masks. Puran poli has been offered to Gauris. She is Nilima. She brings Gauris with their babies.
गणपती आणि गौरी बसवत असतो आणि आमच्याकडे गौरी बरोबर त्यांचे 2 बाळ पण असतात. ही मोठी गौरी, ही लहान गौरी आणि तिच्या बरोबर हे तिचे 2 हे बाळ असतात.
Let's listen to Sunanda. She feels this festival signify individual creativity and togetherness.
पहिल्यांदा गणपती येतात आणि ते त्यांच्या 2 बहिणी म्हणजे गौराई त्यांना घेऊन आपल्या माहेरी येतात आणि त्यांचं आपण सागर संगीतपणे कौतुक करून त्यांच्या पक्वानाचे जेवण त्यांना देतो. त्याच्यात आपल्याला पण एक वेगळं समाधान असतं आणि आपली कला कौशल्य याच्यातनं आपल्याला आनंद दिसून येतो. कुटुंब एकत्र आणणारा हा सण आहे आणि हा सण असाच पुढे चालत राहावा अशी माझी प्रामाणिक इच्छा आहे आणि असा मी प्रयत्न करत आहे.
Listen to the head of this household.
पूर्वापार तांब्याच्या भांड्याच्या गौरी असायच्या, खड्यात आणून त्यात ठेवायच्या आणि त्या गौरी आणलेल्या जायच्या आणि विसर्जन केल्या जायच्या.
मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे कंठकाळा त्रिनेत्री ज्वाळा लावण्य सुंदर मस्तकी ज्वाळा दुनिया झुळझुळा जय देव जय देव जय.
गणपती म्हणजे 4-5 दिवस आमच्या घरामध्ये फार चैतन्य असतं. सगळे भाऊ आम्ही एकत्र असतो. वेळ काढून मुद्दाम तो वेळ बाजूला ठेवतो. गेल्या काही वर्षापासून नदीचं प्रदूषण खूप वाढल्यामुळे नदीमध्ये विसर्जन करण्याची पद्धत आम्ही 2-3 वर्षांपासून बंद केली आहे. आणि घरच्या घरी बादलीमध्ये त्या पाण्यामध्ये स्वच्छ वाटतं. सगळे हजर राहू शकतात. घरातल्या स्त्रिया आणि पुरुष सगळे त्यांच्यासमोर आम्ही आमच्या गणपतीचं विसर्जन करतो.
Look at the theme of decoration of this household. Traditional classical Indian music is depicted here. This is a prayer. Now here you can see ladies are dancing. This is how they celebrate Gauri festival in villages near Pune. On Anant Chaturdashi day, that is on 10th day of festival, Ganesh immersion takes place with prayers and request to Lord Ganesha to come again next year.
Moria re, Bappa Moria re, Moria re, Bappa Moria re, Moria re.
Thus, everyone enjoys Ganesh and Gauri festival just not as offering prayers to the Lord, but as a custodian to the rich Indian cultural heritage. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel so far, please do click on subscribe button and bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Stay tuned. See you soon. Yours Desi Pardesi.